Hi guys, hello, happy 2022. My name is Purple Six and welcome to Fit Thick Fitness with Purple Six, where fit is the new thick, okay? Welcome to another video, guys. So real quick, I just wanted to explain to you guys what we're going to be doing for the new year, guys. I put together a 30-day challenge. It's a 30-day workout challenge to get you on the right foot for the year, to help you get in shape. This is primarily for beginners. However, you could do this workout at any fitness level that you are. But the reason why I say this is primarily for beginners is because I put together a routine that consists of 30 different moves. What we're gonna do day one is start with move number one, and we're gonna build up every day, or almost every day, up until we get to the 30th move. Each move will be for 1 minute long. So today would be day one, where we'll do our first move. Tomorrow will be day two, where we'll have our second move, but the second move will be added on to day one, and we'll just do that continuously up until we get to day 30, okay? And again, that's just simply so we can build our way up and get into the groove of moving our bodies and working out. And by the time day 30 comes, you should feel a lot more energetic, where you can complete the entire workout, okay? So I hope you join me on this journey to a new body. Let's get started with day one, guys.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Okay guys, so good job for finishing up day number one. So that was easy, right? So all that was just simply getting your body into the groove of working out, just giving you a little sneak peek of what it feels like to get moving, okay? So again, each move will be for 1 minute long. Stay tuned for day number two. That will be up soon, and we'll just be adding on to what you just did, okay? So get ready. It's gonna be a long 30 days. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Let's go.